Do you also have a lot of fabric scraps? I'm making fabric twine out of them. It's a very easy and fun and relaxing project. And you will need a lot of twine if you want to make a basket like this one. You just sew it together with a zigzag stitch. You will need a lot of scraps and your fabric shears. And it doesn't matter what material the scraps are made of. They cannot be too thick or too rigid. And you will need some length as well. So the shorter the strips, the more joints you will have to make in your twine. So I'll say take a 10-inch minimum length and make your strips 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide. The thicker the material you're using, the narrower the strips. So when you turn, you will get the same thickness in your cord. So use a different mix of colors and prints and choose how to make your twine interesting for you. When you have enough strips to get started, you tie 2 of them together, 2 strips of a different length, and make a little knot. Start twisting the strips separately away from you, so to the right. Then twist each strip around the other towards you. Cross it over and hold it tight with your thumbs. Repeat this motion, wind away from you, and move the strip over towards you. And make sure you wind your fabric tight. This way it will stay together and become strong. When you come at the end of one of the strips, you have to make a join with a new strip. Take one, leave a tail of 1 inch for the old strip, and wrap the first inch of the new strip around the tail of the previous strip. Don't pull the new strip, but wrap it tightly around the other strip and continue winding both strips around each other. It's important that 2 strips don't end at the same spot or the join will be weakened. That's why it's best to start with 1 short and 1 longer strip, and always check the length of each strip you add so you don't end at the same spot. Just continue adding new strips until you think your thread is long enough. Trim the little ends or threads that stick out of your twine if you want to. And when you're done or you want to take a break, you just make another knot. It helps to have moist fingers. You will work faster and the twine will become a little tighter. You just keep on wrapping the little strips around each other to make this twine. So you just need 1 inch wide strips. Then you can make twine, a lot of twine, and with a zigzag stitch you can sew them together. And that's it. Very easy and very rewarding. Have a nice day.